Bahamas relies on an import duty stamp tax type of regime for revenue. Some people have called this type of taxation regressive. Do you agree with that? And secondly, if you were to change that particular type of taxation, what options would make the most sense for the Bahamas? And I know you have some familiarity with the Bahamas, and that's why I asked this question.
Under no conditions, you could be attacked by aliens from Mars. It doesn't matter. Al-Qaeda could set up headquarters. It doesn't matter. Under no conditions should the Bahamas ever allow an income tax. Because the history of the world is that whenever governments get an income tax, they inevitably turn that into a class warfare exercise that penalizes people for wealth creation, job creation. You wind up with double taxation of saving and investing. It's very, very bad news. So do not ever, ever allow an income tax. I have what I call a golden rule of fiscal policy. Government should grow slower than the private sector. If government grows slower than the private sector over time, all your fiscal problems are solved. If you're in a deep hole, it might take you a number of years to solve it, but make sure government grows slower than the private sector. On the other hand, if those lines are reversed and government is growing faster than the ability of the private sector to finance it, inevitably you're Greece. And we've had that problem in the U.S. all this century under both Bush and Obama, Republican and a Democrat. The burden of government spending has been climbing. We've made a big mistake. Other jurisdictions should learn from our mistake. The Bahamas should learn from our mistake. The Cayman Islands should learn from our mistake. You have to control the growth of government.